Good morning, students. How are you all? Today I am here to teach you the second lesson, that is acids and bases. Do you know what makes lemon and vinegar sour in taste? Do all the items have the same taste? In what way they are different? Let us try to find out the answers and understand the reasons for some of items. We know that large number of substances such as lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar and vinegar have different taste. Even our food has a lot of variety and also different items have different taste. The substances that contain different acids are given in the table 5. That is, acetic acid is present in vinegar, citric acid is present in lemon and orange, butyric acid is present in stale cheese, lactic acid, battered milk and curd, oxalic acid is present in spinach and tomato, malic acid is present in apples, tannic acid is present in tea, oleic acid is present in olive oil, stearic acid is present in fats, tartaric acid is present in grapes, tamarind, palmitic acid is present in palm oil, ascorbic acid is present in amla, uric acid is present in urine. Here we can observe the strips has changed their color from yellow to red. Hence, this is a natural indicator. The substance that indicator change color when other substance is added, this is known as natural indicator. Now, let us know about some of the natural indicators. The special types of substances which change their color when come in contact with acidic or basic substance are called indicators. These are used when a substance is whether it is an acid or base. Next one is methyl orange. Methyl orange is one of the indicator commonly used to titrations because of its clear and distinct color change. It gives red orange color with acids and yellow color with bases. And next one is a litmus solution. Litmus paper is prepared with litmus solution which is extracted from lichen. It is a purple dye. Litmus paper is used to test acid and base. When litmus paper touches an acid, the blue paper changes to red. Similarly, when litmus paper touches a base, the red colored paper changes to blue. Now, I would like to say you about bases. Bases are bitter in taste and soapy to touch and slippery in nature. How do you feel when you touch a cake of soap? Take it between your fingers and gently rub your fingers on it. Do the same with the other material. What difference do you notice? You might have touched soap water or lime water. How do you feel? Can you list some more substances that are soapy to touch? The substances which are soapy to touch are basic in nature. Some substances that we use in our daily life contain different bases. For example, soap, glass cleaners, etc. Various substances containing bases are listed in the below table. Substance base: lime water, calcium hydroxide; glass cleaners, ammonium hydroxide; soaps, sodium hydroxide; milk of magnesium, magnesium hydroxide. Let us do. Burn a small piece of magnesium ribbon by holding it with tongs. Collect the white ash and dissolve it in little water. Touch the solutions formed and test this solution with blue litmus and red litmus. What do you observe? Oxides of magnesium, when dissolved in water, form magnesium hydroxide. Similarly, oxides of potassium and sodium form potassium hydroxide, and sodium hydroxide when dissolved in water. All these are basic in nature. They would be soapy to touch when dissolved in water. All these are basic in nature. They would be soapy when touched. Do you believe that blood comes out of a lemon? How is it possible? When a magician or a juggler cuts a lemon, blood flows out of it. Actually, he uses a knife dipped in methyl orange or hibiscus solution to cut the lemon. When methyl orange is mixed with citric acid lemon juice and test them with phenolphthalein and methyl orange solution, take a small amount of the substance in two test tubes, add a few drops of phenolphthalein and methyl orange to each test tube separately. Note the effect. Repeat the process for all the substances. Now, we will learn about the reaction between acids and metals. Have you seen your parents keeping pickles in the plastic jars or glass jars? Why do they prefer a lot in the glass jars? Now I would like to explain about them. Pickles and other source substances are acidic in nature. When they are stored in metal containers made up of brass or copper, they get spoiled. This is due to the reaction between acids and metals. To avoid this, the inner sides of the vessels made up of brass and copper are coated with tin. You might have experienced a burning sensation when bitten by an ant. The sensation is due to the presence of formic acid that the ant releases. The acids which found in animals and plants are called as natural acids. The substances that contain different acids. Apart from natural acids, there are certain acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid, etc., that are prepared from minerals. And the next topic is acid rains. As the name indicates, the rain which contains of acids is called acid rain. When harmful gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide react with moisture present in air, they form nitric acid and sulfuric acid. These acids, when dropped down on earth along with rain, called acid rain. Acid rain causes skin irritating, inhibit germination of plants, causes corrosion to bridges and buildings. It changes the fertility of the soil, destroy plants and aquatic life. Acid rains are also witnessed in AP state in Vishakhapatnam district. By the end of this lesson, children are able to learn differentiate acids, bases, and neutral substances, conduct simple investigations to find out natural indicators, able to define acids, bases, indicators, and acid rains. Acids, bases, indicators, and acid rains.